I've purchased two of these Gotrax GXL V2 electric scooters now, and there appears to be an inherent problem with the build on each one. The first scooter I purchased, I had a problem with it opening. The second scooter I purchased, I had a problem with it even closing in the first place and locking in so it can be carried around easily. After someone commented on one of my scooter videos saying they were having trouble fully closing the scooter so it can be carried around, I decided to make this video explaining how to fix both problems. The way you fix that is you unscrew these two screws on top of the fender and you keep sliding it up and down until you get it to where you can both close it and have the scooter lock in place to be easily carried around, and also to be able to open it up for use. While I'm at it, I figured I'd also show you how to close the scooter because that's another common question. To do so, pull on this lever and pull on this round piece at the same time and the scooter will fold down. I also recently purchased these really neat cup holders that I'm going to show you how to install that I purchased off of Wish. I'll put a link in the description for that for you guys as well. These are really cool because it's actually expandable, so you can fit like a water bottle or presumably a Slurpee or something like that in here as you're scooting around. I figure it's just a lot more convenient than it would be to carry a backpack while you're scootering, you know, stopping, taking your drink out. Like, you can just have it right there in front of you. So if that's something that you're interested in, it's like $5, totally worth it. Go ahead and check it out. If you enjoy these bite-sized reviews and how-to videos on things I buy, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.